Before we used the chain flex cables and Igus E-loops, we often faced issues with the service loops. For example, a short circuit in the service loop on the top drive, and the replacement process was long and also much more costly. Non-productive time, NPT, caused by the service loop on the top drive can be reduced by using E-loop. The installation on the top drive can be faster, especially during rig-up. The E-loop's reliability is better due to the use of single core cables inside the E-loop, allowing the cable replacement to be done only on the problematic cable. Together with our partner, PT Pertamina Drilling Services Indonesia, we completed a retrofit project for one of the electric top drives. This project involved installing and using the new generation of service loops, the E-loop with chain flex cables, to improve top drive performance and reduce downtime in rig operations. The top drive is a critical piece of equipment on a drilling rig at Pertamina Drilling Services Indonesia. Failure in the service loop cable causes NPT and reduces utilization of the rig and results in losses for PDSI. Improving utilization efficiently and preventing rig failure are significant challenges. The top drive team from PT PDSI has met this challenge well by conducting research and development. With our partners at PT Igus Indonesia, we've replaced the ordinary service loop cable with the E-loop from PT Igus, making it more reliable, efficient, safer, and practical. This change provides positive added value and helps meet revenue targets for PT PDSI. I'm optimistic that the innovations made by the PDSI team and the Igus team will serve as a reference and increase motivation to create useful ideas and innovations for technological developments in the petroleum and gas industry.